Here's a watercolor process pig. To begin with, I took my paper and I taped it down onto a surface. I used tape that I could easily pull off. Then I drew my pig. I got all of my supplies ready, such as watercolor paints and water. I used many different techniques to make this pig. Here I'm using wet on wet with that big brush. And sometimes I would even splatter paint with my brush. As I was painting, I would have to leave my paper dry every now and again. I also used a test strip. This helped me determine what the color would look like once I put it onto my pig. See, I would always test it out first and then bring it onto my final project. See, here's another time. I left my pig dry. This time I'm using more of a dry brush technique, which means the paper is dry and my brush is wet. I continued going back into that painting over and over, sometimes splatter painting, sometimes using wet on wet, and sometimes using dry brush. Final thing, pull off the tape. Then I could put it in a beautiful frame.